So guys, as you all know, Tachiyomi extensions have become obsolete and it doesn't work anymore. If I tap on any extensions, you can see its source is no longer available. So what you can do is go back and go to more option here at the bottom right side. Scroll down here, go to settings, scroll down and tap on browse and tap on extension repos, and you're just gonna delete this default repo here. Okay. And what you're gonna do is go back on the home screen, launch any browser that you have, and then we're just gonna do a Google search for Tachiyomi extensions revived. Tachiyomi extensions revived. And click on the first link here that shows the Tachiyomi extensions has been revived from GitHub. Now you don't need to do anything here. Scroll down and come here to the extensions here. Come to point number 3 and copy this URL here. Link, copy. Now go to Tachiyomi once again back. And on the extensions repos page, just tap on add. And we're gonna add this URL here. Paste. And tap on done. Add. Now we're gonna relaunch the Tachiyomi app and then come back. Just exit this first from the app switcher. Exit. Now launch once again. Now tap on any extension that you wanna install. Install. Okay, it's been installed. Now you're gonna tap on the extension that has been currently installed and trust it. So it has been trusted. Go to sources now and tap on the sources that's been installed. Now you can read any manga that you like. So that's the way guys, how you can still use Tachiyomi app in 2024. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.